It's me, 932 Connor, and I've been hearing these strange sounds. It's been weird. I'm like, what is that? What was that? What was that? What is that?